Good morning, everyone. Okay, before I explain more about my material, let me introduce myself. My name is Diki Aprianto from English Education Study Program on Cash University. Okay, in this presentation, I wanna explain about impact of using WhatsApp application in the English in junior high school student. Okay, the table of my content is abstract introduction and then method and result and discussion and then the last conclusion. Okay, the abstract. The purpose of this study was to find out how to the teacher to implement the WhatsApp application as a digital communication tool for learning English in junior high school and its impact of student. The study used a qualitative descriptive method and was conducted in Pangkep Junior High School, South Sulawesi. As many as 21 students from class A, C, and one English teacher were selected as research subject through random sampling techniques. Data obtained from observation, interview, and documentation. The result obtained from the data analysis are 1. The implementation of the teacher when using the WhatsApp application with 3 indicators such as preparation for the creation of the WhatsApp group, implement namely sending material, and evaluation namely providing evaluation and assessment to student. And then 2, the impact on student by learning the use the WhatsApp application, namely its positive impact, being able to do assignment anywhere, easy to understand the material. Given negative impact and unable to ask question directly, interaction with student is less established. Keyword WhatsApp application implementation and then impact teaching the learning English. Okay. The introduction, the founders of the state have long realized that education is very important. Education is an access to intelligence and the defined line of the nation, so that the life on the stat in the conclusion, but in reality, in the life improvement of education in Indonesia is still very lacking. It's not evenly distributed as is in the case village in Indonesia, where most resigned cannot afford to send their children to school. This shows that the level of education in Indonesia is still very low compared to other countries. Moreover, at this time, the development of information technology is in the current digital era is very influential of the current learning system, where in the current situation and government, of course, online learning efforts of tech which is increasing by the that tool is many. That's why education take advantage of student provide material through learning videos, voice note and material files, assignment, and take care of patrons by sending authentic photos of student learning. Okay, and then the methods. I cut the research design, research setting, research subject, research variable, research instrument, and then procedure of collecting data, and then the last technique of data analysis. Okay, and then result and discussion. The positive impact of using the WhatsApp application as a learning medium question. What impact do you feel when learning WhatsApp lesson using the WhatsApp application? Okay, and then point A, easy to understand the material given student. I easily understand the material because I can reread the material and explanation given by the teacher in the WhatsApp group. And then point B, be able to work anywhere, anything, anytime, and easy to use student. I can do my tasks easily and I can do it anywhere and can understand to using of WhatsApp application. And then the negative impact experienced by student when using the WhatsApp application as a learning medium. Question: what's the impact do you feel when learning English lesson using the WhatsApp application? And then point A, students are free to cheat on the other student, assignment student. If we submit miss assignment, students are free to copy miss assignment. And then point B, difficult to understand the material. Given student, the material sent by the teacher is difficult to understand miss. And then point C, student cannot ask the teacher directly. Student, in my opinion, I can ask the teacher directly. Okay, the based on the result of observation, interview, and data on the fellows of student, there is an impact experienced by student when using the WhatsApp application as a learning medium for learning English. The impact experienced by student are divided into two, namely positive impact and then negative impact. Namely, as a positive impact. In the positive impact is divided. A, the motivation, English learning quite interesting, and then B, learner can self use technology, and then C, the fellow student increase after using the WhatsApp application, and then the last, the D, the vocabulary of student increase because they learn to translate material that has not been understood. And then point E, student enjoy taking a start to finish because they can take lesson anywhere. And then the last, students are more diligent in writing and reading. Okay, the conclusion. In this use of the WhatsApp application, there are two impacts resulting from the use of the WhatsApp application as a learning medium, namely positive impact including the WhatsApp application is easy to use compared to other application, sets quota, and then the application is quite effective when used because there are a feature that facilitate the learning process and then can do tasks anywhere and then anytime. The negative impact resulting from the using of the WhatsApp application as a learning medium include, and then the networks is less stable, cannot understand the material because it is not explained directly, and then cannot interact with the teacher directly, call upon memory fill up quickly, and then call upon radiation effective student vision. Okay, that's all from me, and then thank you.